Nice sunny day here in Southern California. Really nice. Here's an update on the duster. I did put the exhaust on, got some wiring done. At least I got it to spin, not the way I wanted to, but it's getting there. Here's an update on the duster. I got the exhaust put on, and the new transmission speedometer cable's there. I gotta feed this one out of there. It's on there. Drive shaft is on. This exhaust came off of my 73. It's I believe they're 40 series Flowmasters, 3-inch exhaust with the crossover tube. So it should sound good, I hope. But here's the other thing I've been doing today. I got the ignition put on, got it timed. Well, not ignition, just the wiring to make it run. I get it to start right here on the relay. It kicks over, no problem. But when I go in here, you could hear the key buzzes. The key is in the ignition on the off position. When you close the door, of course the buzzing stops. But I go over here, turn the key, nothing happens. So I checked all the wiring under the dash. Everything is good. None of the accessory gauges come on. The oil light doesn't come on. I have the oil light switch connected as well, so I'm thinking I have a bad ignition switch. I did put this new wiring harness on it. This wiring was missing. I got that on the interweb. I don't remember where, but it's there. And I am going to connect the electronic distributor with the module, mount the module here in this general area here. But it didn't want to start. At least it's a little bit of progress. It should start, even if I have to hot wire it. I went out and got another pair of tires for the front. These are actually 215s. 70-15. I had 235s on it, 235-60s, and they were just too short and bulky. This is just a tiny bit taller. It might rub here, but I don't know yet. I haven't spun it or turned it. The torsion bars are set all the way to the lowest point, so it's actually sitting on the rubber bounces right now. But anyway, that's what's going on with it. I should have it running here real soon, and I think it's going to be a neat little car. Got to get the seat redone, the upholstery redone, headliner. I did get the dash pad put on. Well, I put it on and fixed all the lights inside the dash. I think that's where I'm having my problem, but it seems to be that the ignition cylinder, is something wrong with it. Anyway, just like a little progress on it. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Have a good weekend.